Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. So today's video is gonna be about how to flat twist your natural hair. That's why my hair is like this. So if this is your first time to be here, consider subscribing, liking this video and watching this video to the end without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And I'm just so grateful to have you here. Thank you so much. Like, I cannot explain how supportive you have been to my channel. Like, I'm so grateful. So today's video is basically about how to flat twist your hair. So I'm going to show you the simplest and the easiest way that you can learn to just flat twist your hair, and I'm very sure at the end of this video you are going to know how to flat twist your hair, because I think I learned it just in a day. It's just about being if you purpose and also practicing it. It is not very hard. It's just a simple thing that you can do. So I'm also going to be showing you, if you are unable to flat twist, I'm going to show you another way that you can style your hair, like the simplest and the quickest way, especially if you are a beginner, like you just started a natural hair journey and you're like, oh, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna be styling my hair? And you don't know. I'm gonna show you the simplest way. So stick around to the end. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel for videos like this weekly and put on the notification bell. So before we start this video, I am going to be reading for you something interesting for you here. So, God's will for our lives is not frustrated by our own circumstances or facts. All dry places in our life are not the result of being lost. God leads us into some dry places for a higher purpose. So we are beginning this video right now. So, if you're planning to flat twist your hair, it will depend on how you want your hair to be separated. So for me, I went ahead and separated my hair like this. This is just for the purposes of learning, because you can see when my line is not clear, but you want to make sure that your lines are very clear. So I'm going to show you with this section right now. So for you to begin, you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized, because if your hair is dry and brittle, it's gonna break in the process. So you want to make sure that you have moisturized your hair is soft. Okay, so my hair is moisturized right now. So now before you begin, you want to separate your hair just some section like this, just to begin with. And you want to make sure that when you begin with smaller amount of your hair, so you increase the amount of your hair as you continue to flat twist. So we are going to begin like this. So see how I have separated my hair into two smaller sections like this. So we are going to begin from here. So like that, hold your hair like this, then use your finger. Is this an index finger? Yeah. And then grab your hair, then use this finger to grab your hair. So you wanna use this finger with this hair that you're holding, and then pass your finger at the bottom like this, and then grab this one like so, and then use these fingers to take this hair on top like that. And then you're gonna begin, you're gonna repeat the same process. the same finger, and then you take, as you pass this finger to take this hair, you grab some little amount of hair like so. You begin the same process, and then you repeat again. You grab some small amount of hair as you take the other one, like this, like so. Basically, we are repeating the same process over and over until we finish, like so. Okay, like so. Looking in my mirror. So you repeat the same process. I hope you're seeing the way I am doing. Passing the finger in the bottom, and then wrap some hair, this hair that I'm holding, and then you're gonna add some small amount of hair like this. You can see that the amount of hair that I'm holding, it is increasing as I continue to flat twist. Basically, this is how it's gonna be like. You just repeat the same process over and over until you are done. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Is it hard or is it easy? And now, let me show you, if you are unable to flat twist your hair, what you can do. Let me unravel this. So, if you are unable to flat twist your hair, there's a simple way that you can do that will look like a flat twist, but it won't be a flat twist. So, it is a roll and tuck process. So, basically, what you would do, you will just grab some hair. You grab some hair like this, and then just roll it like that. Roll like that. Roll and tuck in like this, like that, like so. You roll and like so, and then when you reach at the end, you want to use a pin just to secure so that it is not it doesn't get unraveled. So you roll like that, and then you secure with a hairpin. And then also you can come the other side, you roll in your hair and tuck in like that, then you secure the hairpin, and then maybe you can have like a low puff like this, and then you just tie it So this is the simplest way that you can style your hair. I hope that this video has been so helpful. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.